Hello my friends and welcome to Migrate to Europe, your go-to channel for navigating life as a foreigner in Europe. I'm Daria, your immigration lawyer, and today I'm covering a fantastic topic for vacation, which is free travel within the Schengen Area. Sounds great, right? So stay with me to know more about Europe and free travel. What is about Europe that everyone loves, traveling here and return again and again? Touring Europe always leaves visitors in a wave of its stunning landscapes, rich history and remarkable artistic and culinary variety. Europe is incredibly diverse. As the smallest continent with 50 countries, 7 territories, 4 partially recognized republics and 27 EU members, Europe offers a vast array of travel experiences. With over 100 languages spoken, it's perfect for both short visits and extended stays. Top destinations include Paris in France, Barcelona in Spain, Venice in Italy, or Zurich in Switzerland, and much, much more. After my arguments why you will fall in love in Europe, I would like to explain what is the Schengen Area. The Schengen Area is one of the main achievements of the European project. It started in 1985 between 5 EU countries: France, Germany, Belgium, the Netherlands and Luxembourg, and has gradually expanded to become the largest free travel area in the world. Schengen is the name of a small village in Luxembourg on the border with Germany and France, where the Schengen Agreement and the Schengen Convention were signed in 1985 and 1990 respectively. Nowadays, the border-free Schengen area guarantees free movement to more than 420 million EU citizens, along with non-EU nationals living in Europe or visiting the EU for purposes such as business, study or work. Schengen underpins this freedom by enabling citizens to move around the Schengen area without being subject to border checks. Which countries are part of the Schengen? The Schengen area spans over 4 million square kilometers with a population of nearly 420 million and includes 29 countries, 25 EU member states and all members of the European Free Trade Association, Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway and Switzerland. Benefits of free travel. No internal border checks. Travelers can cross internal borders without passport controls, akin to traveling within a single country. Simplified travel, easier movement for tourism, business and personal reasons. Economic advantages, boost trade, tourism and economic interactions among member states. Common external border. Unified approach to managing the external borders of the Schengen area, enhancing security and coordination. What about non-EU citizens? For non-EU citizens holding a work visa, study visa or other document, traveling with the Schengen area has certain rules and benefits, depending on the type of permit and the specific country's regulations where the permit is issued. Here are the key points. Schengen Visa Type C. Short-term visa allowing travel up to 90 days within any 180-day period in the Schengen area. Long-term National Visa Type D. Issued by individual Schengen countries for stays exceeding 90 days. Residence Permit. Non-EU citizens with a residence permit issued for work, study or other reasons in the Schengen country can travel within the Schengen area for short stays up to 90 days in any 180-day period without additional visas. Specifics for non-EU citizens. To travel to another Schengen country as non-EU citizen, you must have valid visa or valid residence permit. You need to carry passport. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 3 months beyond your planned departure. Follow 90 days rule out of 180 days. Stay up to 90 days within any 180 days period. Track your days and avoid overstaying. Purpose of visit. Permitted for tourism, business and short visits, but not for long-term work or residence. Want to visit other Schengen country, remember to carry your residence permit and passport and ensure they are valid for the entire duration of your travels. Health insurance. Ensure you have health insurance, coverage valid in another Schengen country's territory. Conclusion. The experience of discovering countries of European Union has given people a better understanding of other cultures as well as European history and improved their foreign language skills. But traveling is about so much more than just seeing the sights, trying the culinary delights, or learning about other cultures. It's also about the incredible friendships you will form and the people you will meet. Thank you for watching my channel and hopefully it is interesting for you. If you still need more assistance how to legally travel within the Schengen zone, let us know in the comments section below the video. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you next time very soon.